Have you ever heard sentences like, if it rains, I will stay home, or if I were rich, I will travel the world? These are called conditionals, sentences about if something happens. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel English Talks. Today I will show you step by step how to master 0, first, second, and third conditionals with simple explanations and examples you can actually use. Now, if you are new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss my future lessons. Now, let's get started. Conditionals might look scary, but trust me, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use all 4 types confidently. What are conditionals? A conditional sentence describes a situation and a result. Usually it has 2 parts: the if clause, the condition, and the main clause, the result. For example, if it rains, I will stay home. If it rains is condition, and I will stay home is the result. There are 4 main types: 0, first, second, and third. Each one talks about a different time or a situation. 0 conditional. It is used for real facts and general truths. The structure is very simple. It is if plus present simple and present simple. It is used to talk about facts, scientific truths, or things that always happen. For instance, if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. Or if I eat too much, I feel sick. Or if you don't water plants, they die. Now let's have a quick practice. Finish this sentence. First conditional. It is used for real future. The structure is very simple. It's if plus present simple, will plus base verb. It is used to talk about real possibilities in the future. For instance, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay home. Or if you study hard, you will pass the exam. Or if we hurry, we'll catch the bus. Let's have a quick practice. If I wake up late tomorrow. Second conditional. It is used for unreal, imaginary present or future. The structure is very simple. If plus past simple and would plus base verb. It is used to talk about unreal or hypothetical situations. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. Or if she were here, she would help us. Or if I had more free time, I would learn guitar. Please note that we often use were instead of was. For example, if I were you, I would call him, and it's very common expression. Now let's have a quick practice. Think, if you were invisible for one day, what would you do? Write your sentence and your answer in the comments. Third conditional. It is used for unreal past. The structure is very simple. If plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. It is used to talk about unreal situations in the past, for regrets and things that didn't happen. For instance, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. Or if we had left earlier, we would have caught the train. Or she would have been angry if you had told her the truth. Now, let's have a quick practice. Please complete this. If I had gone to bed earlier last night. Mixed conditionals. It's optional extension. Sometimes we mix second and third conditional. For example, if I had studied medicine, I would be a doctor now. And the condition is in the past, result is in the present. Common mistakes. If it will rain, I will stay home. The correct one is, if it rains, I would stay home. If I would be rich, I would travel. No, if I were rich, I would travel. If I studied hard, I passed the test. It's wrong. If I study hard, I will pass the test. It's correct. Let's test your skills. Please fill in the blanks. If you want some more time, you can pause the video, write your answers, and I will check them. Okay guys, that's it. And let's summarize everything. Zero conditional used for facts, general truths, if plus present, present. First conditional used for real future, if plus present, will plus verb. Second conditional, it is used for unreal present or future, if plus past, would plus verb. And third conditional is used for unreal past, if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. Now everyone, remember, use the correct verb form in each conditional. Great job! Now you understand conditionals. If this lesson was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends who want to learn English. Now, you can write all 4 types of conditionals in the comments and I will check them. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next lesson.